So how can you join two videos in the iPad screen? Let me show you some options that we have available. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you want to join two video clips together, so for example, you have two clips saved in the gallery, you want to put them together, well, we are going to need to use a video editor for that. More options to pick from, naturally, but I would personally go with the CapCut video editor, which lets you join the clips very easily. You just add both of them, edit the, in the timeline. You can even reorganize it or add some edits, crop the videos or whatever, and then you're going to export it and put it all together. So you basically join two clips into one, which will appear like that, right? So that is how it would work, right? So you can see that it would be like one after the other, but even in here, like in this video editor, you can even layer it one on the top of the other, right? So it doesn't have to go like chronologically that like the first video ends, the second one follows, but I can literally just create a new like a project, click on the second clip, click on overlay, and now I can reorganize the clips to make sure that both of them fit on the screen. And I could technically work with that and join the two clips so they both appear on the same screen, right? So it is something which you can also do through the CapCut video editor. So I really like the app, and I just quickly wanted to show you how you can do this or what the options are available. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.